In this video, I'm going to show you a trick how you can quickly square numbers in your head if they begin with a string of 3s and end in a 4, or begin with a string of 6s and end in a 7. We'll illustrate the procedure with an example of 34. The first step is just to write down the number 6. The second step is to count how many times the number 3 appears. And in 34, it appears exactly one time. So we write the number 5 exactly one time, and then we write the number 1 an extra time. So 34 squared is 1156. In another example, we have 334 squared. We start by writing the number 6, and then we count how many times the digit 3 appears in the number. In 334, that's 2 times. So we write the same number of 5s, and we write an extra number of 1s. So 334 squared will be 111556. And this turns out to be a pattern. Anytime you have a number that starts with a string of 3s, you can count the number of times the 3 appears, and that's how many times you'll have 5 in the answer, and there will be one more appearance of the digit 1, and in the units place it's the number 6. There's a similar procedure for numbers that start with 6, a string of 6s, and end in 7. For 67 squared, we write out the number 9, and then we count how many times the digit 6 appears. In this case, it's 1, and that's how many times we write the number 8, and then we write the number 4 one extra time. So 67 squared is 4489. In another example, 667 squared, we write down the digit 9, and then we count that there are 2 appearances of the digit 6. So we write the number 8 that many times, and the number 4 we're going to write 1 extra time. So this is another neat pattern that whenever you have a number starting with a string of 6s and ending in a 7, you count how many times the number 6 appears, and that's how many times the number 8 will appear in the answer, and the number 4 will appear one more time.